Hi guys, this is Engineering Zayto, and I am back once again with another unboxing review. Actually, this is more of a unbagging review, because as you can see here, I got a bag right here, and a friend of mine from my church actually got on me these special model trains from a garage sale. I am going to position the camera and see if I can get them unboxed. I actually already opened one of them. It's a Hudson, and I look forward to seeing what else is in there. Yeah. So I'm just going to place the camera in position and push it in. Let's see if I can get these open. Let's see what I can do. I remember opening one of these last time. Oh, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Now I'll get this one out. Oh yes, this is the one that already kind of got open. It's shelf model of this Hudson locomotive right here. Oh, darn this camera. Sorry about that, folks. Yeah, this is the Hudson locomotive I was talking to you about earlier. And I'm gonna see if I can get the tape off of it. Yeah, this is actually a model I've been wanting to get for a shelf model I've been wanting to get for a while. And it looks like I finally got it, and I really am excited about this. That is really detailed. Look at that. 5344. That's the exact same number on one of my O-gauge model trains I have new in the box. That is incredible. I'll be sure to give it a good dusting later. But before I do that, let's get on with opening the other trains to see what's inside. I actually already have three of them. This one's my camera holder right now, and I got these two on the shelf right here. Oh, and on my previous video, when I've done an unboxing video of this My Little Pony custom VHS set that I made. Let me see if I can, So yeah, here's the Hudson locomotive. It's the 1937 700E Hudson locomotive by Lionel. It's got the number 5344, which is actually the same number on my 1997 Lionel New York Central 5344 Hudson that I have new in the box that I bought on eBay. Made back in late 2023. Let's have a look. I haven't gotten a chance to look at the other trains yet. Well, I already have this one, but I'll keep this one just in case. But I'll be sure to keep this one for storage, just in case I might need a backup. But I I do hope the third one is actually that green. Well, whatchamacallit, an engine that you would normally see on Lionel or MTH standard gauge trains. Yeah, I do have this one already, but I'll keep that one in case I might need a backup. Now let's see what's inside the third one. Yes. This is exactly what I was talking about. This is the 1928 number number 38 IE locomotive by Lionel. By Lionel. As you can definitely tell, well, that it's definitely one of the many standard gauge Lionel trains. It's actually quite large. So, also, it's pretty crazy that we have. Well, to be honest, I actually have three of these. There's this one right here. Then I got this one. This one. I'll be sure to keep this for storage in case I might need a replacement. So these two are the only ones I never had before. Not before. The 1937 and 700E Hudson locomotive, and the 1928 number 38 IE locomotive, locomotive by Lionel. No, I think these are made by the official Lionel Train Company, which is my favorite brand of toy trains. And before I talk more about them, I am going to give these I'm going to give the engines a good cleaning, and I will show you what they look like when they are spick and span. Be right back. Here they are, guys. The new Lionel shelf models. So, I have three of these. I will be sure to keep this one for storage in case this one gets broken. In case this one over here gets broken. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go get the third one to show you. So this is the third one right here. As you can see, it's a bit broken. So yeah, I have three of them. This one, which is the first one, which I accidentally broke. Then there's this one that I got today. And then there's this one that I've had for a couple of months that was given to me by another friend. So I'm going to keep these two for storage in case I need to replace them. Or if I take really good care of all of them, they could be worth a lot of money on eBay someday. These three models here were a gift from a good friend of mine. His name is Tom. Tom, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you again for these model trains, and I really think they're going to look good on display on my shelves. And sharing my thoughts, I do like the standard. I've always been a huge fan of the standard gauge Blue Comet with the wheels and paint scheme. I also really like this one. I like this one. This is definitely one. A lot of these Lionel trains are often the ones I've seen in other toy trains. As well. I think I like the Hudson locomotive best because it has a resemblance to the ones I have new in their boxes, and I do look forward to getting this on display very soon. Very soon, and I'm gonna display them right now before I close up. All right, here's what my my video cassette at VHS shelf looks like with all 5 models on display. I think there's a total of 5 of them. I think my collection might be complete. Yes, I successfully have all 5 of Lionel shelf model trains. The 1937 700E Hudson locomotive, the 1931 400E Blue Comet, the 1948 Santa Fe F3 diesel engine, the GG1 electric engine Pennsylvania train, and of course the 1923 number 38 IE locomotive by Lionel. And if I stand back far enough, this is what all 5 of them look like on display. From over here, or from here. So, what are my final thoughts on the? Well, I have to say, I have especially been wanting to get this Hudson locomotive for a while. It is my all-time favorite, right? And I'm so glad that my friend and Tom from my church got this for me. Although, judging by how the Lionel made this model, it looks like the roof might be falling off a bit, as in this whole cab right here. But that is okay because it is just a model. Other than that, though, this model is pretty okay. I mean, those wheels and side rods are incredibly highly detailed and accurate. I like the front of it, and man, I also really like this standard gauge blue comment. The Santa Fe F3 diesel is the coolest. And I really like this one and that one. As for these two, I'm not really going to need them, but I'll keep them in my storage cabinet. I think my collection is actually complete. Oh, I also have this 3D printed in a model train here that my friend Remington made for me using a 3D printer. Thanks again, Remington, for this train for my 21st birthday. You're an awesome dude. And hopefully one of these days, the next time I upload some videos onto my YouTube channel, maybe I can upload some clips from the movie in the VHS form. I think my collection of Lionel shelf model trains is actually complete. Although I can tell that some of them could use some replacement parts because some of them are broken, and are a little broken. Other than that, though, it's not really that bad. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys, and if you're interested in purchasing any of these shelf model trains, like this one, or this one, I highly recommend you either either go to a garage on sale when you have cash, or an antique store or thrift store, or you can simply buy them on eBay. They might sell them on Etsy. I'm not sure. But other than that, though, these are perfect for anybody who loves trains. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.